Welcome back to Meet Fear and Greed. If you haven't met, my name is David. Today I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on Bitcoin. Make sure to stay to the end of the video for the bearish and bullish price predictions. Before we jump into the analysis, I'd like to share with you a couple key features of this chart that I created just for this channel. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin using logarithmic regression on the 1 month scale. A couple key features I'd like to share with you first before we get into the analysis is I have the halvings listed on this chart in 2016, 2020, and in 2024. And if we need to refit the bands, that'll be in next month in 2025. Another thing I'd like to share with you is the color of the lines. We have these green bands here for the bottom regression, this orange band here for the middle regression band, and the red bands here for the top regression. And finally, we have these white bands here for the extremes here at the top and at the bottom. Now for the current price action of Bitcoin. Currently, at the time of recording, Bitcoin's at about $98,000. A couple of things that have caught my eye here. First thing is we broke out of this triple top pattern last month. It was forming here April 2021, November 2021. And we just had this long consolidation period for about 8 months here before breaking out of that. Another thing I'd like to share with you here is that we finally broke above this top green regression band right here. We did make a very quick move through the orange regression band, which is the middle or median band. And currently right now, this pink regression band is causing us some resistance right now at $100,000. I'd like to share with you a couple of things in the news today here. MicroStrategy's co-founder, Michael Saylor, announced he acquired an additional 21,550 Bitcoin and cost approximately $2.1 billion. And now their holdings in Bitcoin is 423,650 Bitcoin. Hope you're enjoying my video so far today. Like and subscribe. Leave a nice comment. And watch out for the scammers. Now I'd like to share with you a couple thoughts that I have on Bitcoin that have really caught my eye. First thing I'd like to share with you here is we're making a very similar fractal pattern here like we did in 2017. Back in 2017 here, we're in this middle green regression band here. Similar to where we were here in February of 2024. We then made a quick move here to this top green regression band right here. Right here, like we did in, looks like March of 2024. Then we made a very quick move here to this orange regression band right here in 2017. Similar to what we did here in April of 2024. We then went into a consolidation period here in 2017 that lasted about 3 to 4 months. Here in 2024, it lasted about 8 months. After the consolidation period, we moved very quickly up here to this pink-green regression band here. Very similar to where we are right now here in November and December 2024. We then moved sideways here for about 2 months here, before then moving up here to the middle red regression band right here. We could also here move sideways here for a couple months right here. Real similarly before we move up to the red regression band. Another thing here with my thoughts on Bitcoin is right now it's kind of a psychological barrier, the $100,000. I'll show you a couple examples of that in the past performance of Bitcoin. Back here in 2017, trying to break the all-time high of $1,200 became quite a psychological barrier. Took 1, 2, 3, about 4 months to break out of that. Another psychological barrier right here was breaking $20,000 in 2020 right here. That it is hard to see on the chart here, but that did take about 3 to 4 weeks to do. And currently, we just had our last psychological barrier trying to break the all-time high again. Right here, we're in 2021 here in April. Here, we just broke the all-time high here in November 2021. And it took us about 8 more months here to finally break out of that. To finally get a new all-time high of $100,000. Currently, right now, that could also be a psychological barrier, and it could take us a while to break through. And now for my bullish and bearish price predictions. For my bullish price prediction, if we can break above this pink regression band here, could make a move up here to this middle red regression band. It's about a 19% move up and put Bitcoin at about $115,000. If this pink regression band here that we're currently holding right now as resistance, we could possibly fall back down here, down to this orange regression band, very similar like we did in 2017, be about 11% move and put Bitcoin at about $85,000. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose.